Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and as many of you know if you follow my channel, I just had my birthday and I asked for things that I could put in my Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, and my friends did not disappoint. They had a party for me and they brought me all kinds of goodies to put in my shoeboxes, and I'm going to share those with you now. First, let me just tell you that if I'm sweating, sorry, I'm in Texas and it's 103 degrees and it's been over 100 for so long, who knows, it's just hot. I hope that I got these right with who gave me what. If I did not, I apologize. I opened up everything and then I went on vacation the very next day. So I'm trying to remember after being gone for a while, but I think it's mostly right. So this one is from Gloria. And Gloria got me these beautiful composition books. They got like blue and dots on them. Those are so pretty. I think those could work for a boy or a girl. She got me some sparkly pencils. So cute. Packs of eraser toppers. Very fun, very practical. And 2 boxes of Crayola crayons. Such nice school supplies. I know a child is really going to enjoy getting these school supplies. Let me set them up here. Can y'all see those? Okay. Next, this is from my mother. So thanks, Mom. She made me a little bag. I think this would be great in maybe one of the toddler boxes. And it's lined and there's a little pocket on the inside. Can y'all see that? That is so cute. Maybe one of the older girls too. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Should this go to a 2 to 4-year-old girl, a 5 to 9-year-old girl, or a 10 to 14-year-old girl? What do you think? She also made me a couple of pencil bags. So these have Velcro to close them, and they've got some blue stars, and they've got these tabs so you can pull them apart real easy. And can you see that fabric? They're cowboys. So these are definitely going to go in like a boy box. So fun. Really love those pencil packs that my mom made. Okay, next, I believe this one was from Karen. And Karen works at a school. So basically what she did is she cleaned out her treasure box from this past year. And I got to be the recipient of some Buzz Lightyear water bottles. We've got a yellow puppet. You know, I think even adults can play with puppets. Like I can. I could sit here all day and forget that I'm filming and just play with my puppets. But it's not for me. Not for me. A yo-yo, a nice blue yo-yo. When I went to the Global Connect conference for Operation Christmas Child, there were so many people who had received shoeboxes as a child, and they were adults now, that talked about how yo-yos were their favorite thing in their box. Love that. Some little plastic frogs. Some little rubber duckies. We've got a green car. I should know my cars better. I believe it's a Hot Wheels car and it's some kind of muscle car, but I don't remember which kind. Oh, there's another poppet. This one's a square. So fun. Look at all these yellow things. I have this, I want to do a yellow box. I once did an all yellow care package for my kid when he was in college, and it was really fun to make and come up with all kinds of yellow things to put in it. And I think just yellow is just such a bright and happy color. I'd love to make a yellow box if I can find enough yellow things. And a whole bunch of little wild animals. So there's tigers and zebras and giraffes and rhinoceros. Looks like it's some kind of deer, elk, kangaroo, cheetah, lion. Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Karen. So next, this is from Bobby. And And if you're watching and I'm pulling it out of the wrong bag, yeah, I forgot which bag went with what. So Bobby basically gave me everything I would need to fill a shoebox. So she gave me a pencil pack, and inside the pencil pack is a comb and a pair of scissors and some pencil toppers, 3 sharpened pencils, some nail clippers, and 2 toothbrushes. I think maybe somebody else gave me one of these pink balls. I'm not sure. But Bobby gave me a pink ball, a dinosaur. This would be a Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus. A pair of bright orange shorts. These are size extra large, so these would go in one of my 10 to 14-year-old boxes. A little Jingle Bell bracelet. It's got Velcro so you can wear it. Probably put that in one of the 2 to 4-year-old boxes. You can smell this one. It is a washcloth with a bar of Irish Spring soap. Oh, that washcloth is very soft, a microfiber washcloth. And a little doll. Isn't that sweet? And that was from Bobby. Thank you, Bobby. And next, this is from my friend Connie. And there is a very compressed package here that I did not open before. You guys should try. They are velvet scrunchies. And all kinds of colors. They're very soft. And there are a lot of these scrunchies that were compressed in that bag. Look at all these velvet scrunchies. Every girl's box is going to be able to get a scrunchie for her hair. And if she doesn't have long enough hair to put it up, she can always wear it as a bracelet. Okay, move these over. Connie knows that I love art, and so she gave me a whole case of watercolors, and so I can put these in my shoe boxes so that I can spread my love of art with children all over the world. Thank you so much. Oh, guess what? Connie and Bobby think alike. Connie also gave me some Irish Spring soap. Smells so good. And I got some washcloths from her. And a little notebook that has not llamas, but alpacas, because alpaca shoebox. And actually an Operation Christmas Child pen. Besides all this, I also got some gift cards and some money from Janine and from Judy and from Jennifer and from Susan and from Sandra. And I just want to thank everybody who has contributed to my birthday fundraiser for my shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. I feel so blessed to be able to make these shoeboxes for others. And I couldn't have done it. I couldn't do it without your help, and I really appreciate it. For my birthday, the theme was pink flamingos, and they had these pink flamingo beach balls just as decorations, and they weren't used. So deflated them, and I'm going to put them in shoe boxes. I got about a dozen of these. How cute. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.